teachers, and all that. And with everyone, with gratitude to my country and my people. I place my devotion, India will and prosperity, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's thought. My thought is, Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Meaning in English, India is an independent country that is free to manage its own affairs and is not dependent on any other country. Meaning in Hindi, Tribut Sampanna. Meaning in Assamese, Harbhum Khahom. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Poem. The title of the poem is The Rainbow. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are better for.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news.
Lawsuit against UK security agency by survivor of bombing rejected. Secondly, some national news. Governor invites Hemant Soren to form government in Jharkhand. BJP records highest vote share 26.77%. Now some local news. Lachit Divas observed with veneration. Devotees will visit Borveti at Mela Pathar to celebrate Nalagua Utsav. At last, some sports news. Former player questioned third umpire's decision to rule a KL out. Advanced level training for Assam players. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's quiz. My first question goes to class 6. In which day the Constitution Day is celebrated? How many types of officers are there in a parliament? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 4. My next question goes to class 8. What is the another name of Constitution Day? The correct answer is Samvidhan Divas. My next question goes to class 9. Which article says that the governor rolls office during the pleasure of the president? Repeated the question. Which article says that the governor rolls office during the pleasure of the full form of CD in Panchayat Raj? The correct answer is community development. My next question goes to class 11. When NES was created? The correct answer is 2nd October 1953. My next question goes to class 12. Who recommended the establishment of the Panchayat Raj on the principle of democratic decentralization? Repeated the question. Who recommended the establishment of the Panchayat Raj on the principle of the democratic decentralization? The correct answer is Balwant Rai Mehta. My last question goes to all the respective classes. What is the prescribed age for the state assembly election? The correct answer is 25 years. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Very essential for our life, and we use water in various ways, like in cleaning, drinking, and in agriculture. However, the mostly use of water is in drinking. Drinking water must be pure. If it's not, we may cause diseases. So we should purify by boiling the water before drinking. Thank you and have a nice day. The people of India, having resolved solemnly to constitute India into constituted, socialized, secular, democratic republic, and to rescue to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith, assuring the dignity to the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constitute Assembly, this day, 26th day of November 1949, do hereby enact and give to ourselves to Constitution.
Good morning, everyone. Today with my topic. My topic is Constitution. We all know about Constitution. Constitution is a written document where we found rules and regulations to govern any country. Constitution Day is also called Samvidhan Divas. In 26 November, every year, Constitution Day is celebrated to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. In 26 November 1949, the Constitution of Indian Assembly adopted the Constitution of India. The Ministry of the Social Justice and Empowerment on 19 November 2015 adopted the Constitution of India. The Ministry of the Social Justice and Empowerment on 2015 notified the decision of the Indian government to celebrate 26 December as a Constitution Day. The main motive of Constitution Day is to promote values of Constitution in citizens. Thank you. Have a nice day.
साथीगण और प्यारे बच्चों, सभी को शुभ प्रभात। बच्चे, आप सभी को संविधान दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। I hope you all are aware about the Constitution Day. You have already studied in your previous classes also. So anyone tell me about why we are celebrating the Constitution Day? संविधान दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं? कोई भी बच्चा बताएगा? तो बच्चे, संविधान दिवस मनाने के पीछे हमारा जो मकसद है वो क्या है? हमारे देश में आपको सभी को पता है कि जब हम इंडिपेंडेंट हुए तो उससे पहले हमारा डिमांड था कि हमारा अपना एक संविधान हो। जब हम आजाद हों तो हमारे देश में जो रूल आए वो एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का है, किसी पर्सन का नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो हमारा देश इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ तो एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री बन रहा था और उस स्टार्टिंग से ही हमारे देश पे किसका रूल होना चाहिए? संविधान का, किसी पर्सन का नहीं। तो हमारे संविधान दिवस जो बना तो संविधान असेंबली ने बनाया, एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली ने बनाया, और जिसको बनाने में आप सभी को पता है कितना टाइम लगा, 2 वर्ष 11 महीने और 18 दिन। उसके बाद हमारा संविधान बना, और जो हमारा संविधान बना वो डेट था 26 नवंबर 1949, और उस दिन से हमारे देश में विधि दिवस के रूप में मनाया गया, क्योंकि हमारे देश में हम सोचते थे कि संविधान मतलब एक विधान है, एक विधि है, एक लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, और उसको इसी रूप में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता रहा। लेकिन 2015 में हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने ये डिसाइड किया कि हम 26 नवंबर को एज ए संविधान दिवस के रूप में मनाएंगे, क्योंकि ये हमारे देश का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है, जिससे हमारे देश में गवर्नेंस होता है, शासन चलता है, किसी पर्सन का नहीं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नहीं, प्रेसिडेंट का नहीं। हमारे देश में जो ये प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर है ये भी किसके अकॉर्डिंग रूल करते हैं? संविधान के अकॉर्डिंग। तो हमारे देश का सबसे सुप्रीम डॉक्यूमेंट जिसे हमारे देश का रूल चलता है वो संविधान है। तो इसी इम्पोर्टेंस की वजह से 26 नवंबर हर साल संविधान दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता रहा है। कब से मनाया गया? 2015 के बाद से। 2015 को हमारे देश में डिसाइड किया और उसी दिन से संविधान दिवस मना और अभी मन रहा है। तो आप सभी को संविधान दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। अभी मैं 2 बच्चों को मंच पे आमंत्रित करूंगी, क्योंकि 23 नवंबर को हमारे बच्चे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल युवा उत्सव में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए मोरीगांव कॉलेज में गए और हमारे 2 बच्चों ने पोजीशन अचीव किया है। तो रागिनी 9th थे, जिसने पोएम राइटिंग में 3rd पोजीशन अचीव किया। तो सभी क्लैपिंग के साथ इसका अभिनंदन करेंगे। सेकंड बच्चा है चिंटू बोरा 9th B, जिसने पेंटिंग में 3rd पोजीशन अचीव किया, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल यूथ उत्सव। अब मैं प्रिंसिपल सर से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि इन बच्चों को सर सर्टिफिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करें। आइए बच्चे, थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।
थैंक यू।
Good morning to all of you. My dear students, my dear colleagues. So we have already celebrated 26th November as a Constitution Day. So thereafter some information. So today for NCC, one trainer is coming from Nagaon. So special classes for them is arranged. Next, today is the medical checkup day. The camp will be here. So around 10 officials from hospital is coming. So we have to arrange it class wise. So suppose 6A, after that 6B, after that next class, like that. So all have to medical checkup. After that, our staff also can check medically whether they are fit or not. And again, next information, total number of 3 projector repaired. So today that will be installed. So our academic work have to done in a good way. Thank you.